Good morning, YouTube. It's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. For all you subscribers, thank you for subscribing. For everybody who hit play on my channel, who's never been to my channel before, I do videos about stationery, fountain pens, and books. So today I've got an unboxing. It was my birthday last weekend, and I went ahead and decided to do a small purchase from Goulet. It's not a new fountain pen, but more things that help me maintain my fountain pen. So this is going to be a very quick unboxing. And I did get just a couple of inks. So let's get into here. And got some ink supplies. Got a sucker. I really needed some shims for tuning, especially after the Kaweco unboxing, or I should say my Kaweco October currently inked. I've got a sticker from Goulet. I really like that one. I'm gonna have to stick that one on a journal. They're now giving out instructions on how to do filling, which I think is really kind of handy. Get rid of this because this has my personal information on it. But I did buy a new nib per my conversations with you on my October currently inked. So I got some shims because my other ones had just had it. So that's to help open up your nib unit. And then I got the new nib unit on the Kaweco, which I'm very excited about because that one, I just didn't get enough ink flow out of it, and I decided to get a new one. And this one is taped shut. And I'll try to get into there and get that one taken care of. The filling instructions. Get the rest of the stuff out. All right. That over there. Okay, so really unexciting haul, but this is some of the maintenance things that you may need if you're new to either tuning your fountain pens or maintaining your fountain pens. So I thought I would share, because I think this is almost like the basic tuning kit is what I've got from Goulet. But I did want to buy all the things and talk to you about how you maintain your fountain pens in this video. So one of the ways that you can do it, take the nib unit out, is, like I said, initially are the shims. These are used, let me just grab a fountain pen type device. Okay, this is not the best example, but it is an example. So if you've got and I'm sorry for my sound, I upgraded my phone, and now everything is USB-C, and the receiver that I had in my phone is a lightning cord, so I've got to get a changed out there. So in this nib unit, let me just show you this one. Even though this is not a official fountain pen, you've got slits into your fountain pen, and this is where you would insert your shim, or your, what they call these, your brass sheet, right? You would insert the brass sheet in between those two to either increase and widen out your nib width in that area. Now you've got to be careful, because like in a brand new pen, it can void the warranty if you're not careful, and you don't want to do it too much. But you do kind of just work the brass sheet in between the tines of your fountain pen, like so. And so you want to be, let me just get this in here, you want to be really, really careful about that shimming in between, but that's what you're trying to do. So if you find that your fountain pen is not flowing as much, you can work the sheet like so in between your tines, and therefore increase the ink flow. So that's how those work. Very handy to have when you're noticing that your pen is writing a little bit too dry. Fantastic to have. Next up, I have bought 2 more ink syringes, and I use ink syringes quite a bit to fill my pens. So, just open one of these up, actually.